Hi friends, in our everyday activities, we are not always given all the information we need directly. For example, you could be asked to divide a particular sum of money between you and a friend in such a way that you get twice as much as him or her. You will then have to figure out the exact amount you and your friend would each be taking. There are many occasions to do these kinds of calculation every day. Now, let's take an example. Akobi buys a sack of oranges for 1,500 naira. He discovered that a third of them were unripe, so he sold the unripe oranges at 15 naira each and the ripe oranges at 20 naira each. How many oranges were in the sack if he had a loss of 345 naira? I will advise you to go over the question once more, as this will help you catch every detail of the question. This is an important tip when solving word problems. Now we'll go over every line of the question and translate them into mathematical form. Akobi buys a sack of oranges for 1,500 naira. He finds that a third of these oranges were unripe. We are not told the number of oranges he bought, so we represent the total number of oranges he bought with a letter. Let us use C for this example. So we can say that Akobi bought C oranges. 1/3 of them are unripe, so 2/3 of them are ripe. Since 1 minus 1/3 equals 2/3. He sells the unripe oranges at 15 naira each and the ripe oranges at 20 naira each. He also makes a loss of 345 naira. Now recall that loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and selling price is the price at which the goods were sold. In this case, that will be equal to 15 naira times C/3 oranges plus 20 naira times 2C/3 oranges. Since he sold C/3 unripe oranges at 15 naira each and 2C/3 ripe oranges at 20 naira each, the cost price is 1,500 naira, since that was the cost of C oranges. It doesn't matter that a third of these oranges were unripe, he had already paid for them. So, his loss, which is equal to 345 naira, is equal to 1,500 naira minus bracket opened 15 naira times C/3 plus 20 naira times 2C/3 bracket closed. Simplifying the bracket, we have 5C naira plus 40C/3 naira. Opening the bracket, 345 naira will be equal to 1,500 naira minus 5C naira minus 40C/3 naira. We multiply through by 3 to eliminate the fraction. Hence, the equation becomes 1,035 naira equals 4,500 naira minus 15C naira minus 40C naira. Now, collecting the like terms on the right-hand side of the equation, 4,500 naira crosses over the equality sign and becomes minus 4,500 naira, which is equal to minus 15C minus 40C. Now, simplifying the equation gives us minus 3,465 naira equals minus 55C naira. This is the same as writing minus 3,465 is equal to minus 55C, since naira is common to both sides. Then, we can divide both sides by minus 55 to give us C is equal to minus 3,465 over minus 55, and that will be equal to 63. Therefore, the total number of oranges in the sack is 63. So you can see that things as simple as buying and selling, calculating someone's age, calculating how much time you will have available to do a task given some constraints, among other things, can be calculated using equations. Join me as we look at more examples in the next lesson.